Are you ready to take your crafting game from meh to magnificent? Welcome to the enchanting world of embroidery machines, the wizards of fabric and thread. Whether you're a seasoned stitch sorcerer or a newbie eager to dabble in the art of needlecraft, finding the perfect embroidery machine can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But fear not. In this video, we'll unravel the secrets of the best embroidery machines that'll have you stitching like a pro in no time. So grab your favorite thread. Let's make some magic happen and transform your ideas into stitched masterpieces. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpick.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Uten Portable Computerized, our pick for best budget embroidery machine. Say hello to your new best friend in sewing, the Uten 2685A. This isn't just any sewing machine. It's your creative sidekick, complete with embroidery capabilities that make you feel like a pro, even if you're just starting out on your sewing journey. Imagine transforming plain fabric into eye-catching masterpieces with just a touch of a button. The sleek LCD touchscreen is your command center where you navigate a treasure trove of functions. Need to reverse that oh-so-important seam? There's a button for that. Want to ensure your needle is always in the perfect position when you start or stop? The memorized needle up-down button has got your back. And let's not forget about automatic tension. Goodbye, guesswork. With dimensions that fit right into your crafting nook and a surprisingly light weight of 15 pounds, it's portable enough to take to your next sewing circle. Plus, with 200 included stitches, the only limit is your imagination. Want to jazz up a pillowcase? Or embark on an epic quilt project? The Uten 2685A is ready to roll, so fire up the corded electric power and get ready to unleash your creativity. This sewing machine is here to make your crafting dreams come true. Number 4. Brother PE800, our pick for best embroidery machine for beginners. If you're diving into the wonderful world of embroidery, let me introduce you to your new best friend, the Brother PE800. Think of this machine as the oversized companion you didn't know you needed, like a trusty sidekick for your crafting adventures. It's designed for those who might not know the difference between a satin stitch and a straight stitch. No judgment here, we've all been there. Imagine this. You've just unboxed the PE800, and within a mere 30 minutes, you're already stitching away, thanks to an instruction manual that doesn't read like ancient hieroglyphics. Even the stitching novice, like our own Deanna McCormick, found herself whipping out creative designs with a smirk on her face. Helpful tips pop up on the screen like your overly enthusiastic crafting buddy, guiding you through every step, she notes. Now, fair warning, this beauty takes up some real estate, so make sure you have a crafting corner spacious enough to accommodate its vibrant personality. But on the upside, a larger embroidery area means you can unleash your creativity on bigger projects. Hello, custom pillows and table runners. With the Brother PE800, you're not just sewing, you're making memories, one stitch at a time. So grab your thread, roll up your sleeves, and let's get stitching. Still searching for the perfect embroidery machine? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. BY1501 Computerized, our pick for best embroidery machine for hats. Are you ready to level up your embroidery game? Say hello to the Buy Hat Embroidery Machine, your new creative partner in crime. With a mighty embroidery area of 350 by 500 millimeter, this machine is like your trusty sidekick, perfect for tackling those grand designs on jackets and suitcase backs. You'll wonder how you ever crafted without it. But wait, there's more. This isn't just any machine, it operates at a dazzling speed of up to 1,200 stitches per minute. That's faster than you can say, I need more thread. Your productivity will soar, and you'll leave your competition in the dust as you whip up stunning hats in no time. Transferring designs? A piece of cake. With a USB interface, you can effortlessly upload your coolest creations directly from your computer. No more fussing around, just smooth sailing from idea to finished product. Built like a tank yet designed for ease of use, the Buy machine is perfect for embroidery pros and eager newbies alike. Plus, with top-notch technical support and training, you'll be a whiz in no time. So, whether you're embroidering for fun or your thriving business, the Ba'i Hat Embroidery Machine is your ultimate tool for turning visions into reality. Get ready for a creative journey that's as fun as it is rewarding. Your masterpiece awaits. Number 2. EverSewn Charlotte, our pick for best portable embroidery machine. Looking for a sewing machine that's small in size but big on functionality? Meet the EverSewn Charlotte, your new best friend in the world of stitching. This little dynamo boasts an impressive 70 built-in stitches, making it versatile enough to tackle any sewing project you can dream up, whether you're crafting a chic skirt or whipping up a cozy quilt. But wait, there's more. With an automatic needle threader and cutter, you can dive headfirst into your creative endeavors without wasting precious time fussing with stubborn threads. Just imagine, getting projects started has never been this easy, and with a speedy 650 stitches per minute, you'll feel like the flash of the sewing world, zooming through your to-do list in record time. We know you're just getting started on your sewing journey, and that's precisely why this machine is perfect for you. Its user-friendly design makes it a hit among beginners, giving you the confidence to explore your creativity without breaking the bank. At just 15.5 by 7 by 11 inches and weighing 16 pounds, it's easy to tuck away when you're not whipping up masterpieces. Because let's face it, even the most passionate sewist needs a little space sometimes. So grab your fabric, channel your inner designer, and let the EverSewn Charlotte lead you down the path of sewing brilliance. Happy stitching! Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Brother SE2000 Computerized, our pick for best embroidery machine overall. Are you ready to unleash your inner creative genius? Meet the ultimate partner in your sewing and embroidery escapades, the Brother Sewing and Embroidery Machine. This isn't just another appliance. It's your new best friend in fabric manipulation. With its luscious 5-inch by 7-inch embroidery area, you'll have more room than ever to bring your wildest design dreams to life. Navigating this beauty is as easy as pie, thanks to its big, friendly touchscreen that practically begs you to touch it. Say goodbye to battling with tangled threads and bobbins. This machine has an automatic thread cutter and an intuitive needle threader that'll make you feel like a pro from day one. Let's not forget about those speed controls. Whether you're breezing through a simple project or meticulously crafting a masterpiece, you've got the power in your hands. With 193 built-in designs and 13 fonts, you'll never run out of inspiration. Feeling adventurous? Upload your own designs wirelessly or through the USB port. It's like giving your creativity a personal VIP pass. And this isn't just your average machine, it's an upgraded version of the beloved Brother SE1900, which means you're stepping into a world of endless possibilities. So grab this 38-pound powerhouse of joy and let the sewing shenanigans begin. Your fabric will never know what hit it. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best embroidery machine. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which embroidery machine you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.